Hi there. Let's take a look at how we can use custom materials in CAM Assist for Fusion from CloudNC. I have CAM Assist open, and we already have duplicated the Inch Demo Tool library and have it selected. As you can see, we have already added some presets for custom materials, including Delrin, brass, and plastic, as examples. When adding a preset for a custom material, include two plus signs before the preset name. We'll show you how to do this in the Fusion tool library in a bit. If we look at the Tool Use tab and pick the Custom Material Library and select Delrin as our material, we can see that there are a lot of tools that will not be used, as they do not have presets yet. For custom materials, CAM Assist will only use presets, not AI-driven cutting parameters, so a bit of work is needed to configure the tools. Let's set up a Delrin preset for tool number 22152. We will need to open the Fusion tool library and select the appropriate library. Here are some tools that we have already set up for Delrin. You can see in the Cutting Data column that Delrin is listed, preceded by the 2+ symbols. For tool 22152, let's just copy and paste the aluminum presets so we have something to start with. We will select all of the cutting data rows and use the copy and paste buttons to make duplicates. The duplicates have a -1 added to them. Now let's edit these duplicates to make them presets for Delrin. We will replace the word aluminum in each duplicate with ++Delrin. We can then adjust the feeds and speeds data for each tool to match our vendor specifications for the tool, or use our own knowledge to fill in the cutting parameter data. We will also remove the -1 from each row just to be tidy. Once we have the tool set up, we hit the Accept button at the bottom of the screen, and then we can close the tool library. CAM Assist will need to be restarted to see the updated tool library presets. Once we restart CAM Assist and choose the Custom Tool Library, we can filter for Tool 22152 to see the updated Delrin presets. Simply follow these steps for all of the tools you need to configure for your own custom material. For more information on using custom materials and setting up presets in CAM Assist for Fusion, be sure to consult the documentation pages. We hope you find using custom materials helpful in your shop. Thank you for watching.